Hello everyone, welcome to another simple tutorial of Windows 10 in OpenBox channel. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to resolve the problem of Windows 10 not shutting down properly on your Windows 10 device. So when you click the start menu here and go to the shutdown, and Windows 10 won't shut down properly. So first of all, you just have to go to your control panel here. So if you don't know how to make a control panel desktop icon, you can just go to the I button here and go to see that video how to do that, or you can just go here search bar and search for control panel, and you can see there's an option called control panel here. Click and open control panel. After opening the control panel, if you have category view here, you just have to change it to large icons, and then you just have to go to the power option here. Click on power option. After opening the power option, in the left here you can see there's an option called choose what the power button does. Click on it, and you have to click change settings that are currently unavailable, and you have to uncheck the turn on first startup here. Just uncheck it. Click on save changes here. After clicking save changes, you just have to close out of here, then restart your computer, and hopefully the Windows 10 shutdown problem will be resolved. So that's one solution. If that worked for you, please subscribe to my channel. And the next solution is, if that doesn't work, then you just have to go to your search bar here and search for cmd. After cmd, you can see there's a Google command prompt. Right click on it and click on run as administrator. After opening the command prompt, you have to type a command here. So the command will be in the description here. You can just copy and paste here. So I'm going to just paste the command here. After paste the command here, you can see the command is shutdown space slash s space f space t0 here. So if you hit enter, it will immediately shut down your system. So the 0 means here how long it will take to shut down. So 0 means the second here. So check everything that you save everything in your Windows 10. So then you just hit enter here and it will immediately shut down. So if you want to change the 0 here, we can change it to 10 or 20. So it will take 20 or 10 seconds to shut down your computer. So that's it. That's it, how you shut down your computer, and you can just restart your computer again and see if that's the problem is, and see if the problem is resolved. So that's it. This is two solutions for you. So hope you found this video helpful. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.